Welcome to part 3 of our snow globe cookie activity. Once your cookies have cooled, go ahead and frost them. And after the cookies are frosted, you're going to use your pretzel to stick your Christmas tree in the cookie. It's going to look just like this. You can add any kind of sprinkles you want. Then you're going to top it off with your globe. And there you go. You have your snow globe cookie. Continue decorating the rest of your cookies and share them with your friends and family. Thank you so much for joining us for this edible experiment. We hope you enjoy your snow globe cookies and this program. Winter in a test tube.